Hi, my name is Jayant Kashyap. I'm 21 years old and I live in India. I'm very happy to say that my poem, a positively violent poem in 5 parts, has just won the second prize in the Poems to Solve the Climate Crisis Challenge at YPN. I began working on this poem over a month ago and wanted it to be part of a conversation, even if only one way to begin with, but one that discusses climate change in a very urgent manner. As part of a discussion that sees global warming as a very imminent danger to our Earth and all that resides on it, and as one that also takes responsibility for the issue at the same time. I hope you like it. Here's a positively violent poem in 5 parts. First, that day we ruined the swimming pool. Everyone was a hypocrite and angry. We pulled out the tiles with bare hands and nails. Our knuckles bled quietly into tattoos when we couldn't notice. That day we planted 84 trees, one for everyone present there, because later the trees could oxygenate water. Whereas the pipes were PVC and so the chairs, and there was no time for decomposition or conversations. That day we ruined the swimming pool. We didn't really ruin it, only when we left. It wasn't so blue anymore. A bit dry, a little muddy. That day we left it like nature. Second, we then broke sinks and showers during the night and placed flower pots everywhere we could. It was like readying a graveyard for flowers before there were any. Like there are instances when rivers part from land and all one could do is wait on a wall graffitied. The dead have no use for flowers. But this truth is offensive and unnecessary. We tell them, plant little flowering shrubs in their name every once in a while. The shrubs equal water, oxygen, love. Third, next morning we were met by a racket of people wanting to talk, discuss, having a mind to argue, swear for generations, FARC, prepared to fight, kill someone, saying, son, it doesn't matter who or what you are, money is God. So we threw 5 pound notes in water, see if God couldn't dissolve. Fourth, and that evening we cleaned the beach. There were more people with us now than against. We noticed the beach had more plastics and whatnot and not shells. Even the castles the kids built near water weren't pure sand anymore. Sometimes the bottle caps serve as lighthouse roofs, sometimes the straws as flag posts, as catheters for turtles. Fifth, on the third day we then advocated the use of cups, mugs, tumblers, bottles, jugs, buckets, tanks, even larger containers, heads, than animal lives. A whale doesn't bother about capitalism, racism, but it worries about water. What we do with it when it's not ours to have. We distribute it in the midst of light disdain leaflets, basically small chits reading, a head full of plastics is of no use to anyone. Thank you.